In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to properly connect a CSV file to Tableau. Every data analyst or enthusiast knows that visualizing data can profoundly impact how information is understood and applied. Tableau, with its powerful data visualization capabilities, excels in making sense of complex data sets. Today, we'll guide you step by step through connecting a CSV file, a task which may seem daunting at first, but becomes intuitive with some practice. To start, you'll need to launch the Tableau application on your computer. If you're already familiar with Tableau, you know that once it opens, you are greeted by the workspace where magic happens. On the left side, you'll notice the Connect pane, which is foundational to bringing your data to life. Here, under the section labeled To a File, you'll see a variety of formats that Tableau can connect to. For our purposes, click on More. Upon doing so, the system will present you with a list of formats. You'll want to look for text file. This is because CSV, or comma-separated values, is essentially a text file where data is organized in a tabular format separated by commas. By selecting text file, we're telling Tableau that we'll be using this particular type of file. Now we navigate to the location on your computer where your CSV file is stored. This might be in your Downloads folder, a project directory, or any number of places you've saved your data. Once you find it, click on the file to select it. At this point, you should see the option to Open at the bottom of your window. Clicking Open initiates the connection between Tableau and your CSV file. This step integrates your data into Tableau's processing environment. Once the connection is established, you will be prompted to configure the text file properties. This step is crucial because it allows you to specify delimiters or make adjustments in line with how your data is structured. If your data uses something other than a comma to separate values, for example, you'll want to ensure that Tableau correctly recognizes these as individual data points. After configuring, Tableau will display a preview of your data set. This is your opportunity to take a quick look and verify that the data has been imported correctly and appears as expected. In this preview interface, you can make any necessary last-minute adjustments and refine your data connection to ensure it aligns perfectly with your aims. Finally, with your data loaded and properly connected, you can dive into the exploration and analysis phase. Tableau's vast array of visual tools is now at your disposal, ready to transform raw numbers into insights. Whether you're creating financial reports or exploring trends, having your CSV data in Tableau opens new doors for meaningful analysis and discovery.